Hey, what's up, Defense Watchers? Today, I've got something really exciting from the skies of South Asia. Bangladesh is about to showcase its very own domestically made drone, the KX-2, for the very first time. Yep, you heard that right. The Bangladesh Air Force is stepping up, big time. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about another drone? Well, the KX-2 isn't just any drone. This is a big leap for Bangladesh when it comes to military tech. For years, the country has relied on imported UAVs, but developing their own homegrown drone? That's a massive statement. It says they're ready to innovate, to stand on their own in this high-stakes game. Let's talk details. The KX-2 is designed for surveillance, reconnaissance, and if needed, tactical operations. While the full specs haven't been released yet, early reports suggest it packs a solid punch with advanced imaging systems and real-time data links. This means Bangladesh can keep a close eye on its borders, monitor the coastline, and even assist in disaster relief missions, all without calling up foreign tech. So, why is this such a big deal? Well, Bangladesh's geography makes it vulnerable to all kinds of challenges. Think border security, maritime threats, even natural disasters like cyclones and floods. Having a drone like the KX-2 made and maintained at home means faster response times and better situational awareness. Plus, it's a boost for national pride and self-reliance. Another thing I find impressive: developing this kind of tech isn't easy. It takes investment, skilled engineers, and a whole new level of coordination between the military and the country's tech sector. By rolling out the KX-2, Bangladesh is signaling they're serious about developing their own defense industry. That's something the whole region is going to notice. And let's not forget, the world is watching. Drones are shaping the future of warfare and security. Countries that can build and control their own UAVs have a real edge. With the KX-2, Bangladesh is joining that club. So, will the KX-2 become a game changer? Only time will tell. But one thing's clear, Bangladesh is no longer just following the trend. They're setting some of their own. Alright, that's it for today. If you want more first looks and defense updates, you know what to do. Hit subscribe and stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next one.